welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Quora. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Then on the screen, you can see there are options like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, and right below there are two buttons there, login and sign up with email. Go ahead and tap on sign up with email. Now there you're gonna have to type in your name, then give your email ID there. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on next on the top right corner. Now they're gonna send you an code on your email app. Go ahead and open the email app there. Then check the email from Quora, copy the code from there, go back to Quora app, paste the code on the screen, then tap on next from the top right corner. Now you're gonna have to create a password there. Once you create a strong password, you're gonna have to prove that you're a human and tap on finish from the top right corner. Then in couple seconds, your Quora account will be created. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on Quora. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.